Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, and normally lately I haven't been doing or starting the vlog out first thing in the morning, but today I am. The reason being, it's snowing. We're supposed to get just a couple of inches of snow, nothing major, but it's sticking to the grass, but not to the road right now. They're saying the further south I go, the more snow there's going to be. So a range of anywhere from 1 inch up here to, if you get down to the beaches and on the coast, it's going to be up to about 6 inches. So be a little bit messy of a commute. What I'm going to run into right now, even though it's bare roads, is people going to be driving 10 miles an hour. Yeah, they're going to be driving really slow, but it's New England, it's Rhode Island drivers, so I'm kind of used to them. I hope to be used to them. You never truly get used to them. But I'm heading in right now. No school delays or anything on this, though a couple of schools on the South Coast canceled. We'll see. But a March snowstorm. Good thing with March here, though, is once the sun comes out, this stuff will all melt really quick. So I'll be out of here. Now they're talking about a nor'easter coming on Tuesday and Wednesday this week, so that's gonna suck. But all right, I'm out of here. I am heading into work, and like I do every day, dash cam. Good afternoon, everyone. It is Friday afternoon, and I am out of here for the weekend. It's about 3:30, maybe a little bit after that, but I'm heading home. It has been snowing all day, and there is nothing on the ground. If it was snowing like this in January, we'd have about 6 to 8 inches of snow on the ground right now. I'd be home. But with it being March, the sun is so much stronger now. It's, even though it's cloudy, it's still, the rays are still getting through, and it's melting everything. I'm guessing the temperature right now is probably about 30. It's dropped throughout the day, and like I said, the roads are uncovered. So I'm heading home. It's not to say there's not going to be a slick spot, so I'll take it easy getting home. Yeah, so heading home. I will get with you once I get there, like I do every day. Dash cam.